I'm reviewing the T-Mobile Dash. You can see it there. It's one of their newer telephones. I got it before I had this. I had several flip phones that you open up, you flip them, and then you've got the screen on the opposite side. The Dash is a little bit different. It's got it's more like a BlackBerry. It's got your screen up top. It's got all the buttons down here, and it's got the QWERTY keyboard. So it's got all the letters in the alphabet. The one thing I can tell you, I wish it did have, the major drawback to it. I use my phone a lot to dial several different numbers, 800 numbers, several different things. And it's got the telephone number keypad, and it's got some of the letters across it, but as they fit into the keyboard. A lot of the numbers that you call, like if you were to see a billboard and it said call 1-800 Holiday Inn, I wouldn't know how to dial that on this phone because the numbers have keyboard numbers, so only keyboard letters across each of the numbers. It doesn't have the normal ABC on number 2, DEF on number 3, and continuing all the way through. So when you're in the car or doing something and you don't necessarily have what a normal textbook phone looks like, it's a little bit harder to make those types of phone calls. Other than that, it's got a very good, very bright screen. It's got several different options the way you can change it. I've got a picture saved as my background, so I like that option. And it also comes with a couple Windows applications, so it's a Windows-based phone. And it's got several different ringtones, things of that nature. The games are pretty good on it, which I do actually enjoy. So several times I'm waiting for meetings, waiting in between meetings, so I'll take out my phone and just play some of the things that are already installed on it. So other than that, it's a really good phone. It's pretty durable. I'm very rough on my phones. I've dropped them all the time. Like I said, I used to use flip phones. They always broke on me. The connection between the base of the phone and the part that flipped up would always break. I've not had any problems with this. I've had it for a while now. So I like the fact that it's durable. It's got the keypad. So the keypad's very good for text messaging. I do a lot of texting, and the keypad makes it a lot easier, a lot quicker. It's also got an auto word format, I guess, a predictive text that works out pretty good, and it actually gets used to what words you'll send. So not only does it kind of predict what text, but it gets used to the words that you commonly use, so it makes it even faster. So a really good feature. Like I said, bright screen, it holds up well, it's durable. Other than the numbers not having letters on them like a normal textbook phone would be, that's the only drawback. It's a really good phone. It's got a camera phone, so I can take pictures of stuff. I do every now and then. I would recommend it to anybody. It's definitely worth it. It is a little bit more pricey, but it's worth it to me to get a phone that is going to last, it's going to be durable, and has the features that you want.